Hi, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Allow your shoulders to drop. Unclench your jaw. You've already done something beautiful today, just by showing up. Today, you're giving your body gentle care. You're tending to yourself with intention, with love, with patience, and that's something truly powerful. Let's move through the process of using your breast pump together, with softness, calm, and confidence. Start by taking a moment to center yourself. Maybe close your eyes for a second and feel your body where it is. Breathe into the space you're in. Wherever that may be, you are safe here. Now, wash your hands with warm water. Take your time. Let the water feel like a small act of care, of preparation. Then check your pump. Is it clean? Are all the pieces in place? No need to rush. You have time. Everything can wait for you. You're allowed to slow down. When you're ready, find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably. A chair with good back support or a cozy cushion, whatever feels best for your body today. Take a deep breath in and sigh it out. If it feels right, place a warm compress or soft cloth, or gently massage to invite relaxation and signal to your body that it's okay to release. When it's time, gently position the flange so it sits comfortably against your skin. You don't need to push anything. Your body already knows what to do. Trust it. If you're using a manual pump, begin with slow, steady squeezes. Find a rhythm that feels natural. If you're using an electric pump, start on the lowest setting and increase only if it feels right. You are doing such an amazing job, and you are not alone. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for being here. I'll see you again soon, with peace, with presence, and with kindness.